Crash course on Greece. Geolocation, natural landscapes, outdoor adventures. Welcome to a crash course on Greece, a country blessed with unique geographical features, breathtaking natural landscapes, and a plethora of outdoor adventures. Let's dive into the geographical uniqueness, share some exciting stories, and then explore the top 12 attractions that showcase Greece's natural beauty. Greece is situated in southeastern Europe, with a location that spans the Balkan Peninsula and includes numerous islands scattered across the Aegean, Ionian, and Mediterranean seas. This geographical diversity contributes to Greece's stunning landscapes, ranging from rugged mountains to pristine coastlines. One fascinating story is the birth of the mythical Mount Olympus, believed to be the dwelling place of the gods in ancient Greek mythology. This majestic mountain range not only captivates with its beauty but also offers opportunities for outdoor enthusiasts to hike its trails and explore its mythical lore. Greece is also known for its national parks, which protect and preserve its natural treasures. Vikos Gorge in the Pindus Mountains is one such gem, boasting the title of the deepest gorge in the world. Hiking through its stunning landscapes offers breathtaking views and a sense of awe-inspiring adventure. Another natural wonder is the island of Santorini, known for its iconic caldera and dramatic cliffside villages. This unique volcanic landscape attracts visitors from all over the world, who come to witness its awe-inspiring beauty and indulge in outdoor activities such as hiking, sailing, and swimming in the azure waters. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions that highlight Greece's remarkable geolocation and natural landscapes. 1. Mount Olympus. Embark on a hiking adventure to the home of the gods and be rewarded with breathtaking views and a sense of ancient mythology. 2. Meteora. Marvel at the monasteries perched atop towering rock formations, offering a unique blend of natural beauty and spiritual tranquility. 3. Vikos Gorge. Traverse the trails of the world's deepest gorge and immerse yourself in the rugged beauty of the Pindus Mountains. 4. Samaria Gorge. Experience one of Europe's longest and most stunning gorges, located in Crete, with its diverse flora, fauna, and awe-inspiring landscapes. 5. Santorini. Witness the breathtaking caldera, stroll through the narrow streets of Oia, and soak in the enchanting beauty of this volcanic island. 6. Delphi. Visit the ancient site of Delphi, nestled amidst the mountains, and marvel at its historical significance and panoramic views. 7. Mount Athos. Discover the monastic republic of Mount Athos, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where Byzantine monasteries perch on the rugged cliffs. 8. Lake Plastiras. Experience the tranquility of this artificial lake surrounded by lush greenery, offering opportunities for water activities and nature walks. 9. Samothrace. Explore the pristine nature and waterfalls of this lesser-known island, perfect for hiking and discovering hidden gems. 10. Prespa Lakes. Discover the natural paradise of Prespa Lakes, home to rare bird species and stunning landscapes shared by Greece, Albania, and North Macedonia. 11. Zagori Villages. Step into the picturesque villages of Zagori, known for their stone bridges, traditional architecture, and scenic hiking trails. 12. Pelion Peninsula. Indulge in the beauty of the Pelion Peninsula, where lush forests, charming villages, and stunning beaches await. These attractions represent the diverse and awe-inspiring natural landscapes that Greece has to offer. From mountains and gorges to volcanic islands and serene lakes, Greece is a treasure trove for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. In summary, Greece's geolocation and natural landscapes offer a captivating blend of myth, history, and adventure. From the mythical Mount Olympus to the volcanic wonders of Santorini, the country's natural beauty never fails to mesmerize. Embarking on hiking trails, exploring national parks, and immersing in the charm of its islands are experiences that will leave lasting memories. Now, let's conclude with a poem that celebrates Greece's geolocation and natural landscapes. In Greece, a land of ancient lore, nature's wonders we do explore. From Olympus peak, the gods descend, to landscapes wild, where legends blend. Meteora's monasteries rise high, defying gravity, touching the sky. Vikos Gorge, deep and profound, whispering secrets, nature unbound. Santorini's caldera, a sight to behold, with hues of blue and stories untold. Delphi's ruins, nestled in the hills, whisper tales of wisdom, ancient thrills. Mount Athos, a sanctuary serene, where monastic life is devoutly seen. Plastiras Lake, a tranquil retreat, reflecting beauty, nature's heartbeat. Samaria Gorge, a rugged path to tread through wilderness, where nature's thread. Zagori's villages, bridges of stone, in nature's embrace, they proudly own. Samothrace, an island of hidden delight. Waterfalls cascade, nature's sheer might. Prespa Lakes, a haven for avian grace. Sharing borders, nature's embrace. Pelion Peninsula, where forests meet the sea. Revealing beauty, setting spirits free. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.